FBM, as you know, it's over. Starting September 16, 2025, Amazon will require UK sellers to maintain at least a 90% on-time delivery rate. Fall below that and you risk losing your FBA privileges. Now, before you panic, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will know how Amazon is reshaping FBM into something more like FBA Lite, the full rollout timeline you need to prepare for, and step-by-step playbook to protect your account and keep selling. So let's start with the basics. OTDR, or on-time delivery rate, tracks whether your orders arrive by the promised delivery by date, not the ship date. The actual day the package lands with your customer. If Amazon promises delivery by 25th and the order arrives on 26th, that's a failure. Amazon's message is clear: if you can't keep your promises, you can't sell FBM. Here is the rollout timeline you need to know. September 16, 2025, OTDR starts showing up in your account health dashboard. October 16, 2025, a warning notice begin for seller under 90%, not penalties yet. January 19, 2026, UK mainline shipping templates tighten, maximum transit time drops from 5 days to 4 days. 2 February 2026, enforcement begins. Fall below 90% and Amazon can pause your listing or restrict your FBM privileges. Now, why does this matter so much? Because Amazon is reshaping FBM. They don't just want selection anymore, they want speed, they want reliability. In fact, they are pushing FBM to feel almost like prime delivery. That's why I call this new version of FBM FBA Lite. It's tougher, and only sellers who can keep up will survive. So what does this mean for you as seller? If you are using slow carriers, you are at risk. If your handling times are not realistic, you are at risk. If your stock is sitting far from customer, you are at risk. And this is not just about account health. Late deliveries hurt your visibility, your buy box chances, and ultimately your sales. But don't worry, here is how to prepare. So step number 1 is audit your carriers, replace or adjust that ones that miss deadline. Step 2 is turn on by shipping and shipping setting automation. Let Amazon system set realistic promises for you. And step 3 is fix your handling time, under promise, over deliver. Step number 4 is place inventory closer to customer. That might mean using regional 3PL warehouses or shifting some SKUs to FBA. And step number 5 is test yourself now. Don't wait for February. Prove that you can consistently hit above 90%. So here is the bottom line. Amazon's new 90% OTDR requirement is reshaping FBM for UK sellers. This is mandatory from September for everyone else. This could be coming to your marketplace next. FBM as we knew it, flexible, forgiving, sometimes slower, is gone. Now it is about speed, precision, and keeping promises. If you found this breakdown useful, hit subscribe and follow so you never miss an update. And tell me in the comment section, do you think Amazon is slowly phasing FBM into FBA Lite, or it is just a UK only experiment? Either way, the bar just go higher and the clock is ticking.